how to fix ping on Roblox mobile. So one of the ways that causes this issue is the too many windows. So you will need to go back to your screen and you will need to check if there's any other app, other than the Roblox app, and you will need to go ahead and close it. Okay, so you can get a better experience while playing the Roblox app. The second issue, or the second way that this is happening to you, is the connection. So you will need to go back to your screen, go ahead to your settings. In your settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, and go ahead and search for a better Wi-Fi. If you have a 5G around your house, just go ahead and connect with it, because you're gonna get a better experience than average one. If you don't, and if you think that your connection is better but the problem is happening now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just close your Wi-Fi and just reopen it again, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.